you probably can't solve this equation. Now let's go into the solution. One of the ways of solving this equation is by connecting these two equations, right? So let us start with this equation right here. When we write it out, we have x squared y minus xy squared equals 2. Then by factorizing these two terms, because x and y is common, we're going to have xy, then we have x minus y equals 2. Yes, x minus y equals 2. And don't forget from this equation here that x minus y equals 1. Therefore, instead of us having x minus 1, we're going to write 1. So we can now continue and say xy times 1 equals 2. Therefore, xy equals 2. Nice. We have derived another interesting equation. Now let us continue. Now tracking back to equation 1, we have x minus y equals 1. Now what can we do from here? What we can do here is, since we have been asked to find the value of x squared plus y squared, we're going to try as much as possible to extract x squared plus y squared from x minus y algebraically. Now how can we do that? Mathematical algebraic identities is going to help us a lot here. So what should we do? First of all, we need to introduce a square. And how can we introduce a square? By squaring both sides. We need to square both sides. And don't forget from the algebraic identity that x minus y all squared will give us x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. Yes, you can look it up. It is an algebraic identity. Therefore, instead of us having x minus y all squared, we are going to write x squared plus y squared minus 2xy equals 1. Now, very good. We have extracted x squared plus y squared from x minus y all squared. That's very, very brilliant. Therefore, let us take minus 2y to the other side of the equation. We are going to have x squared plus y squared equals 1 plus 2xy. Very good. Now don't forget, earlier on we got the value of xy to be equals to 2. Therefore, instead of xy, we are going to be writing 2. Hence, we have x squared plus y squared equals 1 plus 2 into brackets 2. Okay, now when we simplify this, we're going to have 1 plus 4, which will give us what? 5. Therefore, our final answer will be x squared plus y squared equals 5. Correct. As we can see, the equation is not hard. You just have to be smart and intelligent. Now, if you enjoyed this solution, please subscribe for more and go through my videos for more brilliant solutions like this. Till next time, goodbye.